Hello and welcome to Laravel 5.6 the basic. In this video series I'm going to teach you the basic from scratch. I'm the Laravel 5.6 or any other version of Laravel. So before I just talk about the course and the video series I'm going to make, I want to just go to the channel. If you know about the Laravel and Vuejs series, I know I have stopped there, only 6 videos. Sure, I am just stopping here because some of you guys requested me to make some beginner videos. That's why I will focus on the beginner this time, and I promise I will just complete this course, Laravel and Vuejs series. This is my favorite part. Like, I just want to help people like build their application in the most effective way. That is how I just want to help people. So I will continue this series after completing this series. So this series I have recorded the video. As you can see, it is 22 videos now. So this is super cool. I will just teach you everything you need to know about Laravel. This is completely basic. If you are new to Laravel, just take the course, watch them. All of them are free on the channel. Feel free to subscribe or do not. Just leave a comment or just a thumbs up that I should know that some people really watch the video and this is helpful for them. So that's it for this one. Of course, I will just start from the documentation. I will show you from the basic and code editor and all of those things. Then we will just learn them from the basic. So that's why after this, after completing this section, or I will upload just the videos, and then I focus completing the other series. And some of other series, of course, they are coming. Feel free to just look at the channel and wait for the better one. So I hope this video series will be informative for you. If you have any question, feel free to ask below the comments. I will answer them, and that's it. I think. Thank you for watching.